Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing the moon you've known your whole life might not be what we think it is. What if it's not a natural rock floating in space, but an artificial alien outpost built by a civilization far more advanced than ours? Sounds crazy, right? But today we're diving into 10 mind-blowing theories that suggest the moon could actually be an alien base. From hollow interiors to secret government cover-ups, these theories are backed by NASA data, astronaut testimonies, and photographic evidence that will leave you questioning everything. Stick around till the end. The final theory might be the most shocking of all. Let's begin. Theory 1. The hollow moon. Theory. First up, the hollow moon theory. One of the most famous ideas in lunar conspiracy lore. During the Apollo missions, NASA crashed spacecraft into the moon's surface to study seismic waves. What happened shocked scientists. Instead of a quick thud like on Earth, the moon rang like a bell for nearly an hour. The vibrations continued for 30 to 60 minutes. NASA's own seismometers recorded it. In 1962, NASA scientist Dr. Gordon MacDonald even stated that the moon's interior behaves more like a hollow sphere than a solid one. If the moon is hollow, or contains massive artificial cavities and tunnels, it would explain the long-lasting vibrations perfectly. A hollow structure with a strong outer shell would resonate just like striking a bell. This suggests the moon may not be a natural satellite at all, but something engineered. Of course, mainstream science says the moon is simply very dry and rigid, so waves last longer. But combined with other anomalies, the hollow idea becomes hard to ignore. Theory 1 leaves us with this chilling question. What if we've been staring at an artificial alien structure every night and never realized it was hollow all along? Theory 2. The impossible size and orbit coincidence. Theory number 2 is one of the most statistically improbable facts about the moon. The impossible size and orbit coincidence. The moon is exactly the right size and distance from Earth to perfectly cover the sun during a total solar eclipse, revealing only the corona. The sun is 400 times larger than the moon and roughly 400 times farther away. This perfect match is extremely unlikely to happen by chance. On top of that, the moon is tidally locked. It always shows the same face to Earth. The far side has remained hidden from us for almost all of human history. Some theorists argue this perfect synchronization was deliberately engineered, so whatever is on the far side stays permanently concealed. No other moon in our solar system has this level of precision. Mainstream science calls it a remarkable coincidence from the giant impact hypothesis. But many researchers see it as deliberate design by an advanced intelligence. Was the moon placed in its current orbit with surgical precision? Or is it just the ultimate cosmic coincidence? Theory 3. Geometric structures and artificial buildings on the surface. Number 3 gets extremely visual. Geometric structures and artificial buildings caught in official NASA photos. When you zoom into high-resolution images from lunar orbiter and Apollo missions, you see towering rectangular spires, massive bridges over craters, dome-shaped formations, and perfectly straight lines with right angles. Things nature rarely creates on a dead world. Famous examples include the Shard, a 1.5-mile tall spire, the tower, and the lunar bridge in Mare Crisium. In Euclid crater, there are grid-like rectangular patterns resembling a city layout. Whistleblowers claim NASA deliberately blurs or edits these anomalies before releasing them. Mainstream science calls it pareidolia or natural geology. But when the same straight-edged structures appear in photos from different missions and angles, the question remains: are we seeing the ruins of an alien outpost hidden in plain sight? Theory 4. The moon rings like a bell. Seismic data. Going deeper with Theory 4. The moon rings like a bell. This builds on the Apollo seismic experiments. Multiple impacts caused the moon to vibrate for up to an hour with very little damping. Exactly how a large hollow metal sphere would behave. NASA scientists themselves described it as ringing like a gong. Dr. Gordon MacDonald again noted that the data suggested a hollow interior. If the moon has metallic properties and vast internal cavities, it functions more like a massive spaceship or engineered base than a natural moon. Mainstream explanations point to the moon's dry, rigid structure. But when combined with the perfect orbit and surface anomalies, the hollow theory starts looking less like speculation and more like a pattern. Theory 5. Astronaut whistleblowers and Apollo missions. Theory number 5 brings us to the astronauts themselves. Buzz Aldrin and other Apollo crew members have made cryptic comments over the years. There are alleged leaked transcripts where Neil Armstrong reportedly said they were being watched by other ships on the crater. Some accounts claim astronauts saw large craft and were warned off. Edgar Mitchell later became a strong advocate for extraterrestrial intelligence and government cover-ups. Many whistleblowers say astronauts were ordered to stay silent about certain sightings. If even a fraction of these stories is true, the moon isn't just an outpost. It's actively guarded. Theory 5 makes us wonder, did the astronauts walk into someone else's territory? Theory 6. Hidden alien bases on the far side of the moon. Theory number 6 focuses on the mysterious far side of the moon. The side we can never see from Earth because it's tidally locked. Orbiters have photographed enormous dome-shaped structures, tall towers, and straight runway-like features in permanent shadow. These geometric formations appear far more often on the far side than the near side. Many believe this is the perfect hiding spot for the main alien base, completely shielded from Earth's view. The near side might be a decoy while the real headquarters operates safely on the far side. Mainstream science calls these natural formations, but the concentration of organized geometry on the hidden side raises serious questions. Theory 6 suggests the main alien base is quietly operating right behind the moon we thought we knew. Theory 7. The moon's anomalous density and composition. Number 7 looks at hard science. The moon's anomalous density and composition. The moon is surprisingly light for its size, much less dense than expected. Its crust is also dramatically thicker on the far side than the near side, an asymmetry no other moon has. Apollo samples show unusually high levels of titanium and other heavy metals. Some researchers say these properties only make sense if the moon was deliberately constructed or placed in orbit. It may be a giant artificial shell designed with specific mass and gravity. Mainstream explanations exist, but the combination of low density, crustal asymmetry, and industrial-level metals continues to puzzle scientists. Theory 8. Ancient civilizations already knew the moon was artificial. Theory number 8 goes back thousands of years. Ancient cultures from the Sumerians to Native American tribes described the moon as a celestial ship, boat of heaven, or great house in the sky with beings living inside it. How could primitive civilizations consistently describe the moon as an artificial structure or vehicle across continents with no contact? Many believe these are ancient memories of first contact. Theory 8 suggests humanity may have known the moon was unnatural for millennia. Theory 9. Modern UFO activity and lunar transits. Theory number 9 is happening right now. In the past decade, amateur astronomers and observatories have captured numerous UFOs flying across the moon or disappearing into craters. Some videos show objects entering and exiting the surface as if there were hidden hangars or tunnels. If the moon is just a dead rock, why is there so much unexplained intelligent traffic around it? Theory 9 suggests the moon is still an active outpost. Finally, Theory 10, the massive government and NASA cover-up. Why did NASA suddenly stop going to the moon after Apollo 17? Why are so many high-resolution lunar images still edited or classified? Multiple insiders claim there is a secret agreement. We can visit, but we cannot stay. Revealing the truth would shatter everything we know about our place in the universe. Theory 10 suggests the biggest secret isn't on the moon. It's how long powerful people on Earth have been hiding it from us. So there you have it. 10 powerful theories suggesting the moon might not just be our neighbor, but an alien outpost watching us. Whether you believe 1, 5, or all 10, one thing is clear: the moon still holds secrets we're only beginning to uncover. Which theory shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments below. If you want more deep dives into space conspiracies, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next video. And remember, the truth is out there. Sometimes it's just 238,000 miles away.